of the projects we need to do to move is we had a 40-foot SeaCan in the back of our 3 acres, and we needed to move it to the front beside our house so that we could load it up with all of our household things to move. And I was quite fascinated with the process, and I thought, why not record this to show you? Because I have never seen a SeaCan moved before. And in all honesty, my son is a heavy-duty mechanic and loves this sort of things, and I thought Keegan will love to see this. So the truck information that he thought we should share is that it is a Kenworth truck. It is a T880 triaxle rollback NRC 40TB. I hope that means something to somebody else, because other than Kenworth, the rest doesn't make any sense, but it is important information for those of you who would want to know. And for those of you who are now curious about what our house may look like, there was a video last week that I showed with all the interior and exterior photos, and a video the week before that where I shared the process of what moving looks like when you go from a 3,000 square foot house to a 1,000 square foot house, and the amount of decluttering that has to happen in your home to make that happen. So, hope you enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest without any commentary.
Yeah, that looks great.
Good there?
Yep. Awesome.